to the BF Anderson Technical Report for July the 7th. Let's take a look real quick at some history. I think is a comparable situation. We've been talking for the last couple of weeks about getting from point A to point B. Point A being 1983, point B being the year 2000. Dow went from 1,000 to 12,000. However, I wanted to take a quick look at the NASDAQ because the NASDAQ here recently has been having some volatility and some sell-off, and I just wanted to take a look at where were we in 1994-95. Well, if you remember, I do, 94-95 was pretty much a consolidation year. You can see that I've got here moving averages, the 10-week, the 20-week, and the 30-week moving averages. No price of the index, just the moving averages. 94-95 sideways at best, started to lift off in 95, and then we went into a very powerful uptrend that really lifted off in 1999. So if you look at this type of formation and then you look at where we are today, there really isn't anything out there that I can see that says that this thing is going into some type of major correction or bear market. The moving averages are very steady. We finished a consolidation period between 2014 2016. We basically lifted off in the summer of 16, and we've been in a very strong uptrend since. So take this a day at a time. Everything is on track. We are just having some volatility. Now, Alibaba. Let's go to the top 5. Alibaba continues to look good. Here's what I'm looking for. I am looking for stocks that are making highs, pulling back with the market, but then not making a lower low. So in other words, with Alibaba, we've gotten a nice move between 140 and 145. A pullback below 135, something like that, would be troubling. Here is another thing about the watch list this week. We are definitely seeing rotation here. We are seeing rotation out of the big tech names and more into biotechnology. Here's a biotechnology stock here called Clovis Oncology. Just starting to do some research on it. Not really up on the company yet, but we'll take a look at it. Again, you're seeing the moving averages are moving up. Stock really broke out here and is continuing to hold the prior low. Here's another biotechnology, a company called Exact Sciences. Same thing. We've got the moving averages moving up, stock moving up nicely, pulling back, making higher low. Now, here's one of the big tech names that have somewhat broken down. This is NVIDIA. We're seeing lower lows here. So basically this, I wouldn't want to go much more than 135. We have, ended our relationship with this company for now. But it does appear that big tech is definitely pulling back, and I would be cautious here. Now, another biotechnology stock, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, same basic thing. However, it has made a lower low in here. So what the bottom line here is, market is in a rotation. We are seeing changes. The NASDAQ is now the weakest index. However, the strongest index right now would be the New York Composite, which would be oil stocks and bank stocks. Actually, the housing stocks are looking good as well. But I would say on the oil stocks, too early. Banking stocks, we're looking at them, but kind of keep your powder dry would be my advice at this point. Thank you.